Caloocan 2nd District Representative Egay Erice has pointed out to poor management, waste management, as the main cause of persistent flooding in Metro Manila. In an interview with A Big Story, Erice said only 40% of the capital's daily 10,000-ton garbage output is collected, with the rest ending up in estuaries and waterways. He stressed the need for systemic reform in solid waste management to prevent worsening flood risks. Erice also claimed that corruption in waste disposal is more severe than in flood control projects.
We are producing 10,000 tons of garbage every day, 14 million population. So yung dahil doon sa mga local governments ang nag-aakot at because of corruption sa hauling, mga 40% lang talaga yung nakukolekta. Yung 60% niya napupunta sa drainage, napupunta yan sa creeks, sa mga natural waterways. Yung mga river basin, yung malalaking river basin under the control of DPWH, yung Manggahan, yung Pasig River, Marikina, walang problema. Ang problema talaga yung mga tributaries saka yung mga esteros na punong-puno ng basura.
Well, I do believe naman din talaga na isa sa mga cause din ng pagbaha dito is waste management. But I also believe
I also believe.
Diba? Na isang malaking cost din yung mga flood control projects na hindi natutuloy, na delay at nakukurakot ng mga kung sino man na responsible yung mga flood control projects.
There is no in every problem hindi isa ang cause.
Yeah.
There are multiple causes. Poor flood control project implementation, poor solid waste management maintenance, climate change. So there are many factors, but if you at least nail, galingan mo yung flood control project master plan, di ba? Implement it fully to its capacity. Improve mo yung solid waste management. Nakuha mo yung dalawa, kahit di mo makontrol yung climate change, it shouldn't be as worse as it is now.
Kasi di ba dun sa mga reports lang na nanggagaling din sa atin na pinupuntahan ng mga mobile journal or mga reporters from News 5, you will see several areas na supposedly dun sa budget merong flood control project. But when you get to the area, wala nakatiwangwang lang doon. Tapos, di ba, parang baha-baha din, puro basura.
Sinabi nga ni Secretary Gadon, yung sa loan ng World Bank for flood control, 80% ang hindi nagagamit halos, di ba? So, that means hindi na-implement ng maayos. So, madaming issue dito dapat ayusin para at least mag-improve, no?